Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 10 best new Triumph motorcycles for 2023. Number 10. Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster. Imagine cruising down the open road on a motorcycle that effortlessly exudes classic custom attitude and premium specifications. The Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster is a true embodiment of these qualities, boasting a 1,200cc engine that is lighter and more responsive than ever before. With its liquid-cooled 8-valve parallel twin delivering smooth linear acceleration, this motorcycle's distinctive sound is guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. But the Bonneville Speedmaster isn't just about style and sound. Its maneuverability, comfort, and control have all been enhanced thanks to its larger diameter Showa forks and high-specification brakes. The Bonneville Speedmaster also boasts a range of high-spec technology such as 2 riding modes, cruise control, ABS, and all LED lighting. Overall, the Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster is a beautifully evolved motorcycle that combines classic design with modern capability. Number 9. Triumph Bonneville T120. If you're searching for a motorcycle that has stood the test of time and remains a legend in the world of motorcycling, then the Triumph Bonneville T120 is the one for you. Its history dates back to the 1950s, and it has evolved over the years to become one of the most iconic motorcycles of all time. Today, the Triumph Bonneville T120 is a stunning blend of retro styling and modern technology, perfect for those who want to experience classic looks with the benefits of modern engineering. With a 1200T engine and falling under the retro category of motorcycles, the T120 is a relaxed ride for the modern world. In summary, the Triumph Bonneville T120 is a motorcycle that has stood the test of time, earning its place as one of the best-known Triumph badges in the world. Number 8. Triumph Street 765 RS. Get ready to feel the adrenaline rush with the Triumph Street 765 RS, a race-inspired naked bike that will blow your mind. With class-leading performance, agility, and technology, this bike is not for the faint of heart. The upgraded 765 triple engine delivers an impressive 121 horsepower and 58 pound-feet of torque. The free-flowing exhaust and silencer provide an unmistakable raucous note that will leave you craving more. But this bike is not just about power. It's also packed with advanced features and technology that make it a true standout in its class. From the ride-by-wire throttle control and switchable traction control, the Street Triple RS has everything you need to take on any challenge with confidence. Designed for both road and track use, the Street Triple RS features high-specification Showa big piston fork and Öhlins piggyback reservoir that provide exceptional suspension performance on any terrain. If you're looking for an exhilarating riding experience that combines power, agility, and cutting-edge technology, look no further than the Triumph Street Triple RS. Number 7. Triumph Bobber Black 1200. Rev your engines and get ready for an adrenaline-fueled ride with the Triumph Bobber Black 1200, a motorcycle that packs a serious punch in both performance and style. With bigger forks, bigger brakes, and bigger rubber, this stunning machine is sure to turn heads and leave a lasting impression on all who see it. The digital combo speedo is a high-tech marvel that provides a wealth of information at your fingertips, from fuel gauge to gear position indicator and consumption info. And with adjustable levers, slick bar end mirrors, and easy-to-use switches, you'll be able to focus on the road ahead and let the bike do the talking. But the Bobber Black is more than just a pretty face. It's also a powerhouse of performance. With a liquid-cooled 1200 high-torque parallel twin engine that boasts a unique intake and exhaust tune for even more gains, you'll feel the rush of power as you tear down the road. Whether you're looking for a practical way to get around town or an impractical thrill ride, the Triumph Bobber Black 1200 has got you covered. Number 6. Triumph Rocket 3 GT. The Triumph Rocket 3 GT is not for the faint of heart, as it exudes an air of power and dominance that will leave you trembling with excitement. With a massive 2,500c engine that can generate a staggering 165 horsepower and 163 pound-feet of torque, this machine is the epitome of raw power. But don't let its size and strength fool you. The Rocket 3 GT is also packed with advanced features that make it a joy to ride. From its fully adjustable suspension system to its Brembo brakes, this bike is designed to provide maximum comfort and control on even the longest journeys. And let's not forget about the Rocket 3 GT's striking appearance. With a muscular stance and sleek aerodynamic bodywork, this motorcycle is a true work of art that demands attention wherever it goes. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the racetrack, the Rocket 3 GT is sure to leave a lasting impression. Number 5. Triumph Speed Triple 1200RR. The Triumph Speed Triple 1200RR is the ultimate adrenaline rush on two wheels, designed to push your limits and take you on a journey of pure excitement. With its sleek and modern carbon panels, keyless ignition, LED lighting, and lithium-ion battery, the RR is the embodiment of cutting-edge technology and style. But it's not just about the looks. The RR's inline-3 engine with a whopping 1160 kg displacement and maximum power of 177 horsepower will leave you breathless and begging for more. Life with the Speed Triple RR is like no other experience. Riders have been left in amazement at how well it performs. The fit and finish are immaculate, with every detail given extreme attention to ensure that the bike looks as good as it rides. Are you ready to take on the challenge of the Triumph Speed Triple 1200RR? Get ready to be amazed by its power, performance, and style. This bike is not just a machine, it's a way of life. Number 4. Triumph Scrambler 900. If you're an adventure seeker looking for a bike that can handle both on- and off-road terrains, the Triumph Scrambler 900 is an excellent choice. With its impressive power and versatility, this bike exudes a rugged, adventurous spirit that is sure to appeal to thrill seekers everywhere. At the heart of the Scrambler 900 is a 900 liquid-cooled engine that delivers plenty of power without being too intimidating for novice riders. With a fuel efficiency of 54 mpg, you can ride for longer periods without worrying about running out of gas, allowing you to explore new horizons and push your limits. The Scrambler's suspension system is designed to be forgiving, making it equally adept at tackling off-road adventures as it is for cruising on the pavement. With a powerful 51 pound-feet of torque, the Scrambler accelerates briskly, leaving most other vehicles behind with just a twist of the throttle. Whether you're an experienced rider or just starting out, the Triumph Scrambler 900 is a bike that will inspire you to seek out new adventures and explore the world around you. Number 3. Triumph Bonneville Bobber. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber is not just any motorcycle, it's a thrilling work of art that exudes power and style. Its muscular appearance is a sight to behold, and its performance is second to none. With an award-winning easy ride, the Bobber is a thrilling experience for any motorcycle enthusiast. Designed with a Fox hardtail frame, a solo seat, and ribbed fenders, the Bobber has an elegant vintage appeal that is simply irresistible. The boxy headlight housings are a signature touch of JVB Motos, giving the bike a sporty feel that is unique and striking. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber's sound is just as impressive as its appearance. Its throaty, rich, and raw soundtrack from its slash-cut twin exhausts will leave you marveling at its hot rod sound. The bike's carbureted 900C engine has been improved with a Keihin FCR39 carburetor, giving it more torque and an incredible standing start that will leave other riders in awe. But the Bonneville Bobber is not just about looks and performance. It handles incredibly well and is great on twisting country lanes. Its ease of use and maneuverability make it perfect for anyone who wants a thrilling ride without sacrificing comfort and control. If you're looking for a unique and handcrafted motorcycle, the Emerald is the perfect choice. Number 2. Triumph Speed Twin 900. The Triumph Speed Twin 900 is not just any motorcycle, it is a statement piece that evokes nostalgia while delivering state-of-the-art technology and performance. This machine has been crafted to perfection. With its retro-modern design and chrome detailing, it is guaranteed to turn heads wherever it goes. The heart of this beauty is its 900 Bonneville twin engine, renowned for its torque-rich power and unmatched performance. This power plant offers more power than its predecessor, with an impressive 83 pound-feet of torque. This means that the Speed Twin 900 can reach thrilling speeds while still delivering smooth, controlled handling. Not only does this machine perform exceptionally well, but it also looks stunning with its retro-modern design and chrome detailing. The Speed Twin 900 Chrome Edition takes things a step further with an eye-catching chrome finish that is sure to stand out from the crowd. Overall, the Triumph Speed Twin 900 is a motorcycle that sets the benchmark for both character and capability. Its combination of vintage aesthetics and modern performance make it a true original that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Number 1. Triumph Tiger 1200 GT. Are you ready for the ultimate adventure ride? Look no further than the Triumph Tiger 1200 GT. This next-generation bike boasts an impressive T-plane triple engine that combines the best of a twin and triple engine, providing unbeatable power and performance. The Triumph team has made significant changes to the chassis and engine, shedding 25 kilograms of weight while maintaining incredible power and torque. The new motor produces an impressive 148 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque. But what about rider comfort? The new generation of the Triumph Tiger 1200 GT has improved rider ergonomics, providing great long-distance comfort and low-speed control. The new chassis is considerably narrower, making it easy to handle, even for less experienced riders. If you're in the market for an adventure bike that can handle any terrain while providing unbeatable comfort, the Triumph Tiger 1200 GT should be at the top of your list. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.